Hello, welcome back to Milla's channel. Today I will make Chebureki. It's large fried pierogi. This is very easy meal to prepare while you stay home. And so little ingredients you need for dough. Only flour, olive oil, a little bit salt, sugar, and vodka, and water. Now for filling, you can use any fillings you want. Today I will make grounded chicken with seasoning, salt, and onion for filling. Let's begin to make this delicious chebureki. To start up this recipe, I will use 2 cups of flour. Now I will add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix together with spoon, and I will add 5 tablespoons olive oil. And then 2 tablespoons of vodka and 1 cup of hot water. Now we will start mixing with the KitchenAid mixer. We will mix that on medium speed. While mixing, I will gradually add 1 more cup of flour. Okay, the dough is ready. Now we will let it sit for 15 minutes. Now onto the filling. To prepare the filling, I will use 1 sweet onion and add it to the grounded chicken. And of course, we will add my favorite Johnny's seasoning salt. And now, mix. And the filling is done. I will now take my dough and cut it into 4 pieces. Let's roll it. After rolling, make sure it's nice and thin, then grab a small plate and cut around it to make a perfect circle. Now add the filling and close and press it down. Then take a fork and press on the ends. After, make several holes for air. Time to fry. Set the stove to high heat and put ½ inch of olive oil. We will cook them for 5 minutes on each side. They are now done. It smells so delicious. They are all done. It's so easy to make. Oh, look at that. So yummy. Crispy. Onion make juicy meat. A little bit basil and cilantro and chebureki. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please try this at home. It's the easiest recipe and very little ingredients. Thank you. Bye bye.